What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome back to yet another video. And in this video we're going to take a look at GRT, the token used on the Graph project and the whole Graph ecosystem. As you all know, I'm a big fan of the Graph. It's also on my watch list, but sometimes CoinMarketCap logs me out. So you cannot see that, but I think it's a great project, and now definitely with the supply getting towards that 100%, I think, and that's not financial advice, I know, but I think this is a great hold and a great buy for the next bull market, and I definitely will accumulate some. But the main reason why we're analyzing it today is because obviously the whole market is pretty bullish, and the Graph today has joined that with a 20% gain. Volume up to 200 million, which is great to see, almost a quarter of the market cap. So there are definitely things possible with that volume in terms of big moves. So let's dive right into it. Let's take a look at the Graph on TradingView. So what you can see, and when I did the analysis, we were still in the middle of that. But you can see that we found resistance at this major resistance level between 13.5 cents and let's say for simplicity, say 13 cents, but specifically it's 12.8. But that was the main level we were trying to break. As you can see on Binance, we reached all the way up to 14 cents, but we weren't able to break above 13.5 cents. So the main thing we're trying to do right now, and I think the most important thing for the Graph is, if we actually want to get to our next price target at around 15 cents, more specifically 14.5, I think we can do that, but the main thing we should do is take a break retest off of this 12.8 cent level, and this whole area between. Let's just create that area. We should take a break retest off of this level. All right, if we can actually, because we are dropping now, if we drop down to that level, and if we can actually hold that for the next hours and for the next day, I think we can also break above 13.5 cents and get up to our price target. I think the Graph is strong enough to do something like this, and I also think that there's enough bullish momentum in the market to do something like this. And I actually think, and that might be a risky thing to say, but I think this is the most likely scenario. On the other hand, though, if I'm wrong, as I said, the main thing we're looking for is to hold this 12.8 cent level. Or 12.8, 12.6, 12.5 cent, you know, that whole area. But if we break below that, so if we drop down to this 12 cent and 11.5 cents area again, then it's going to be a little bit tough. Because I do think that level would hold, but then we would just consolidate. And when we consolidate down here, if Bitcoin goes up to 25,000, I still think the Graph will find a way up to 15 cents later on. But the danger is that when we have dropped down here and we're consolidating, what if Bitcoin actually crashes down again? Well, then the Graph is easily going to crash down to 10 cents again. So that is the danger of not holding that level. First of all, it will just take longer to get to 15 cents if the market stays bullish. But apart from that, the fall down and the crash for GRT will also be bigger and more devastating if the market goes down. All right, so it is pretty key to hold that 12.8, 12.6 cent level for now. If we don't, we're going to drop down to 11.5 cents, consolidate, and then depending on the market, either get up still or drop down quite significantly. But if we hold it, I think we're able to break above 13.5 cents within the next 2 days and get up to our price target between 14.5 and 15 cents. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on GRT for now. So if you do have any questions about it, if anything you want to have repeated, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.